DINKLE is a major global terminal block manufacturer that has been improving product assembly and automation technology since 1983. Galco is proud to announce that we are your e-commerce source for their printed circuit board and DIN rail terminal blocks. Their power, data, and signal connection products are used in a comprehensive range of industrial applications like manufacturing automation, process automation, power automation, railway transportation, new energy, and equipment manufacturing. All their products are backed with safety approvals like UL, CUL, CSA, VDE, and GB, and are made with RoHS and REACH approved materials. To shop our full line of products from DINKLE that are available for same-day worldwide shipping, visit us at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.